This 2025 NuCamp Tab is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, refrigerator, TV antenna, water heater, external shower, spare tire kit, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bath, front kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 NuCamp Tab is 2,141 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.